What's up guys, it's Ethan, and today we're going to be talking about Instagram shadow bans. So there's multiple ways that shadow bans can occur, and there's multiple ways you can get them, but with the ever-changing algorithm, there's also a lot of ways you can escape the Instagram shadow ban, and there's a lot of ways you can get out of it. So if you guys want to get out of a shadow ban or you're action blocked, make sure you guys watch this video to the very end. I'm going to be giving a lot of secrets and a lot of ways that you guys can get out of a shadow ban, and also going in depth to what a shadow ban is and why you would get shadow banned, and how to prevent that from happening in the future. So before we get started with the shadow bans, I'm going to talk to you guys about how the Instagram algorithm distributes your posts in the first place, and how you get all the likes that you usually get, and how viral posts occur. So first things first, whenever you post a post on Instagram, the first thing the algorithm is going to do is show it to your most loyal followers and the people that comment the most and like the most, and they're going to go ahead and see how the post performs with your most loyal followers that always like your post, and everybody likes and comments on it and does really well. Then Instagram is going to further go and promote it to more of your followers, people that are a little less active, but send it to another group of targeted followers that follow you. And if your post does really well in that group also, then Instagram is going to continue to go further and further within your follower range, and by the time if it does really well, then that's when Instagram goes ahead and puts it in the explore page and starts promoting it to people that don't follow you. And if it does really well in the explore page, the chain's just going to keep rolling, and you're going to end up having a viral post and get thousands on thousands of likes. So that's basically how a viral post occurs. But then if you're shadow banned, Instagram is going to cut the chain off of where you get that first group of targeted followers. They're going to show it to some of the people that follow you, just in the classic feed where people are scrolling through your feed. A couple of people are going to see it here and then, but you're going to see a substantial decrease in likes and engagement. So for example, let's say you're getting a 10,000 likes a day on all of your posts, which is a pretty big size theme page, but it's not that big. So I'm guessing maybe 60,000 followers ish. If you're getting 10,000 likes a day, that's pretty good. But then one day, just after one random day, now you're getting 2,000 likes a day for the rest. And so there's no gradual decrease. It just goes from 10,000 straight to 2,000 without any interference, and it just goes straight down to no likes at all. That's what we call a shadow ban. But for example, if you have a theme page with 50,000 followers, you're getting 10,000 likes a day, and slowly over the decrease of 2 or 3 months, you start getting down to where you get 2,000 likes a day, then that probably won't be a shadow ban. That's just you reposting basically the same content. People aren't as interested in that same content anymore, so people are just going to start unfollowing you and start unliking your content. So to show an example of a shadow ban, here's a screenshot that I definitely didn't steal from a different video, but as you can see right after Tuesday, all the engagement dropped from all the way up here, bam, down to here in one day, and that's what we call a shadow ban. If you violate the community guidelines whatsoever on Instagram, if you post a little bit of a sketchy post, something that some people might find offensive, Instagram's going to instantly shadow ban, and before you think your engagement is completely done for, it's only a 2-week punishment, so you could theoretically just wait it out. After 2 weeks, you'd be back in business getting as much engagement as you were before if your page is shadow banned. There's also a couple ways that you can get around the shadow ban and get your same engagement without losing it and waiting the 2 weeks. So the first way to get around a shadow ban is basically what I just said a second ago. It's just waiting the 2 weeks out and hopefully getting your engagement back up after the 2 weeks. Instagram will start promoting your post to more people again, and you'll start getting your likes back. But if you really want to get the likes, if you're on a grind for a week or something and you really don't want to have to wait the 2 weeks, I understand you, and here's 2 other ways that you can use to get around it. So the first way is just paying Instagram for promotion. So if you guys go onto the end of your post, and obviously if you have a business or creator account, you're going to see a little blue promote tab on the bottom of your post, and that's just directly promoting your post through Facebook or Instagram. You can just pay like $5 for a little bit of promotion on there on the explore page, and then theoretically Instagram has to promote your post even though they're shadow banned and they don't want to. If you're paying them, that's a service that they're supplying you with, so they kind of have to promote your post either way. So if you want to get likes again, go ahead and pay Instagram a couple bands to promote your post. Not really. If you just pay them $5 a day and set your limit to that, you can get like 1,000 likes from just a $5 promotion on Instagram. It's pretty good actually if you use Instagram promotion. I've used it in a little bit. If you guys want to see a video on me using this promotion on my theme pages, go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, and I will go ahead and do that for you guys, because I'm actually pretty curious how it would work on a bigger theme page. So the second way is kind of a trick around the books. I know it's still kind of paying for promotion and it's not really free. The only free way is just waiting it out, because there's no really ways to get around the system except for the way I'm going to tell you, but the prices could range from 50 cents all the way to $10,000. Depending on what page you use, but that's paying other pages for promotion. So for example, if you have a meme page and your engagement is suddenly dropped really badly and you want to get your engagement back up, you can pay a bigger meme page in your niche on a post. If you just pay them like $5 or $10 on their story to have them tag you in a post and say, go like this post right now for a cookie or something funny like that, and they go and like your post, and Instagram notices that a lot of people that aren't following you go and like your post, they're gonna have no other choice except promote it to other people, because in the end of the day, Instagram's main goal is to keep people people on the platform for as long as possible. So if a bunch of people that aren't following you are liking your post, Instagram's gonna have a big freak out and realize that your post needs to be promoted ASAP. So they're gonna go put it on the explore page, post to other people, and that's a really good way to kickstart your promotion again, because then Instagram will kind of forget about the shadow ban and leave it behind you. And if you keep doing that, then your shadow ban could be gone in like 2 days. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please drop a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you want, even go join my Discord server, link in the description. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And it was a pretty short video, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.